Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to 3,000 naira daily on this platform. Okay, so right here on this platform, I've actually made some withdrawals, and I'm going to be making another withdrawal for you guys to see and confirm that this platform is currently paying. Okay, so this platform is actually a new platform and it's an investment platform. Okay, but with a little amount of money, you can start making money on this platform for yourself. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna walk you through the process right now. I'm gonna show you how you can sign up, how you can recharge your account, how you can complete daily tasks, and how you can withdraw your money. Okay, welcome once again. So if you're seeing my video on YouTube for the first time, I would say you should hit on that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop updates on this channel, you get notified by YouTube, so you can watch for yourself and start making money on, or start implementing whatever I teach in the video I will be uploading. Okay, so right here on this channel, I have more updates I'm going to be dropping for you guys. So if you're following me, you can check the description of this video and join my WhatsApp group. Okay, you can join my WhatsApp group. If you have any question, you can email me or contact me on Facebook or Instagram as well. Okay, so guys, with everything being said, I'm just gonna show you guys how you can start making money on this platform. So right here, if you finish signing up, this is what the home page of this platform is gonna look like. Okay, so right here is the home page. This is where you check your invitation awards, although it's not compulsory to invite people, but when you invite people, you actually make money on the platform. Okay, so right here you can take your time to read through to see how you can make more money for yourself on this platform. You can see right here, you can see registration bonus. After you register, you're gonna get 1,600 for free. Okay, so when you invite people to buy their first device, you're gonna get 20% of any amount they choose to invest. Okay, you can see, for example, right here, if you invite somebody that invests 100,000 on this platform, you're automatically gonna get 20,000 naira. Okay, so right here you can see third subordinate. If you invite the person you invite should invite another person, you're still gonna make money by doing that. Okay, so right here you can see buy VIP to start earning. You have to buy one of the VIP on the platform to start earning. Okay, so right here you can see make money through financial products. You can see you can deposit for 3 days and interest rate is going to be 15%. Deposit for 15 days, interest rate is going to be 75%. Deposit for 20 days and interest rate is going to be 100%. I'm going to show you how to do all this on this platform. Okay, so right here you can see this is another way you can make money, which is make money through team commission. The team's daily income commission is 10%, 3%, and 1%. Okay, so the more your the people you invite to the platform, the more they make money, the more you also make money. So right here, I'm also gonna show you how to click on the daily check-ins to get 15 naira. Okay, so VIP zero, you can actually get up to 30 naira, and a total reward of 90 days, you're gonna be getting up to 10,950 naira on the VIP zero. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna walk you through everything step by step. Okay, so right here you can see the VIPs that are available. I've already completed my tasks for today, and right here you can see um I have 3,147 on my dashboard, and I'm gonna be withdrawing this live and direct, and you guys are gonna see this for yourself. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna walk you through this process right now. Here you can see the VIPs and we have available. You can see this is the VIP zero, and what you're gonna be making daily right here on this VIP is 30 naira. Okay, and if you're using the VIP one, you're gonna be making 320 naira per day. But if you're following the instruction I'm gonna be giving you on this platform, you're gonna be making up to 400 naira per day if you sign up on this platform and recharge 5,000 naira. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can be making 500 naira for completing tasks and how to make extra 2,000 or 3,000 daily. Okay, so right here you can see this is the VIP 3, which is okay, VIP 2, which you're gonna unlock with 20,000 naira, you're gonna be making 1,250 naira on daily basis. Okay, so right here you can see this is VIP 3, which you're gonna spend 50,000 naira and be making 3,120 naira daily basis. Okay, so right here this is VIP 4, which you're gonna unlock with 100,000 and you're gonna be making. So just like that, you can scroll down and see there are a lot of VIPs for you. Okay, so remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm only doing this for educational purposes. Okay, so you can watch and make more research for yourself before you join this platform, and if you're investing, do well to invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so right here guys, I've shown you the VIP. So what I'm going to show you right now is how to recharge and then unlock any of the VIP you want to unlock. Okay, so right here, to recharge, what you want to do is to click on this option right here. Okay, so once you click on this, it's gonna load and then take you to a page. Okay, so right here is the page where you select the amount you want to recharge. Okay, so I've already done my own. I'm just gonna select a random amount. So let me say I want to recharge 20,000 naira. So right here you can see I have selected 20,000. Okay, you can actually choose to select a lesser amount. It depends on you. Okay, if you choose to select any of this card, it is also cool, because this is the card I used or I paid with, and you can choose to select USDT. I think you can actually pay with USDT as well. Okay, so for those of you that have Trust Wallet, Binance, or any other wallet, you can choose to pay in USDT. Okay, so after choosing the card number, you're just gonna select this option right here showing recharge. Okay, you can actually select any of these options here. You can choose to select the card 2, you can choose to select card 3, you can choose to select USDT. But I made my own payment through card 1 and it's reflected very, very fast. Okay, so you're just gonna click on recharge right here. Okay, so once you click on recharge, it's gonna load. So right here you can copy the link of the page, and you can just choose to click here, but I would rather advise you click on jump payment. Okay, so once you click on jump payment, it's going to direct you to the page without wasting time. Okay, so this is a page where you copy the details you're going to be making the payment to. Okay, so right here you can see the amount you're paying. Okay, I'm just doing this for example. You can choose to pay higher and you can choose to pay lesser. It actually depends on you. Okay, so once you do that, um you're going to see the account number you're going to be paying to where. So you can see the account number right here, you can see the bank name, and you can see the name of the platform you're paying to. Okay, so once you just finish this, you're just going to scroll down and then go to your bank app. So once you go to your bank app, it could be your OPay, it could be your PalmPay, it could be Kuda, it could be any of your bank app. Okay, so just go there and then complete the payment. Okay, I won't advise you to use POS because it might cause more delay. Okay, might lead to more complications, so you just make use of your bank transfer. Okay, or you use the USDT payment. So once you complete the payment, you make sure you save the receipt. Okay, for in case it takes longer than 30 minutes and it doesn't reflect, you can contact their customer care. So once you complete everything, just click on I have made payment. It's just going to load for a few minutes and then it's going to reflect on your dashboard. Okay, so I will just go back right now. Once it reflects on your dashboard, this is what you're going to do. Okay, so once the money reflects, you're going to see it right here. Okay, it's going to display right here. Okay, you can actually choose to unlock one of the VIPs. Okay, so let's say what you deposited was 20,000 naira. So after that, you're just gonna come and click on this option right here showing buy now. Okay, so once you click on buy now, this thing right here is gonna disappear. Okay, so once it clears off, you're gonna see something like tap to produce. Okay, so once you click on tap to produce, it's gonna bring you to a page like this. That is where you just click on start. Okay, so you have to click on this start button. If you click on start button, it's gonna load for just 2 seconds, I think, and it's gonna add money to your balance. Okay, so once you click on it for like 10 times, that means you have completed your task for the day. Okay, so you have to click on it for 10 times. But for those of you who are on VIP 1, okay, you can unlock your VIP 0 as well. But what you're gonna be making on the VIP 0 is 13 naira per day. Okay, so right here you're gonna make 320 per day, that is 350, and I'm going to show you how you can make extra 15 naira and that is gonna be 400 for you. But if you're doing this, you're still gonna you can still choose to unlock the VIP zero because that one is free. Okay, so you can unlock any of the VIPs you choose, and you're gonna just keep completing the tasks daily, and you be making. And one sweet thing about this platform is the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira, and if you're signing up, you're gonna be given 1,600 naira bonus for free. Remember to use the link in the description of this video to sign up, okay, so you won't miss the bonus. Okay, so right here is another way you can earn on this platform, which is the finance aspect. Okay, so this is actually cool. This is just like savings. Okay, so right here, if I choose to invest this right here on this finance for 3 days, I'm gonna get 15% interest rate in return. Okay, I hope you understand this. Like if I should invest this 3,147 naira right here, in 3 days time I'm gonna be having 15% profit plus the amount I already have. Okay, so I don't want to be doing that because I want to make this withdrawal so you guys can see how fast it is. Okay, so right here you can choose to invest for 15 days. You're gonna see right here 75% rate in return. Right here you can see 100%, you can see 150%, depending on the duration you choose. Okay, so right here I have shown you how you can be making money on the platform. I've shown you how to recharge, how to complete your tasks, how to unlock the VIP. Okay, let me show you how to invite people. So right here you're just gonna click on this option showing team. Okay, so if you click on team, this is how to copy your copy your referral link. Okay, so once you refer anybody on this platform, you're gonna get 20% of any amount they invest. Okay, so mentioned earlier that I'm gonna be showing you how to make 3,000 naira daily. Even if you don't have money to invest on this platform, you can just copy your referral link. Since you have proofs already, you can DM me on WhatsApp. I'm going to send you proofs of payment, and you can join their Telegram group as well. You're going to see proofs of payment. So share these proofs on your WhatsApp status. You can go on Facebook groups, share it, tell people about the platform, and once they sign up using your link, you're going to get 1,000 naira. If they sign up for the 5,000 naira package, you're going to get. Okay, so if you're able to refer just 2 to 3 people, that is like 3,000 naira for you. And remember, you already have 1,600 as welcome bonus. Okay, so you see, it is very easy to actually make money on this platform. And if you sign up for the 5,000 naira package and you complete your tax for that same day, you can actually withdraw because the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna click on this mine to show you how to withdraw. Okay, I'm gonna click on mine, and you can see right here it's showing me withdraw money. But before then, let me quickly show you how you can put in your bank details. Okay, so right here, once you click on mine, you can see bank card, you can see USDT address. I actually have the both of them. So right here, you just click on it. So to add your USDT wallet address, it is TRC20. So you can just click on this option right here. Once you click on it, it's gonna ask you for the address, and you're just gonna copy your address from your Binance or from your other wallet you're using. So once you copy and paste it right there, you click on save. It's gonna save. Right here is how to add your bank card. Okay, so you're gonna click on bank card. You can see right here my is showing already. So once you click on this plus option, it's gonna ask you for the bank name. It's gonna ask you for your name, which is you're the card holder. So you're gonna put in your name right here, and then you put in the bank number, okay, your account number. So once you do that, you just click on add, and it's going to be added automatically. Okay, so right now it's how to withdraw the money. Okay, so right here I'm just going to come and click on withdraw money. Okay, so once you click on withdraw money, it's going to ask you if you want to withdraw to your card or you want to withdraw as USDT. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to be withdrawing to USDT because most of you don't have wallet accounts like Binance and Trust Wallet and others. Okay, so I'm gonna use my bank card. So right here I'm just gonna click on select card to withdraw. I'm gonna select the account I want to withdraw with. Okay, you can see it has actually displayed right here. So I'm gonna enter the amount I want to withdraw. Okay, so let me say I want to withdraw to okay, let me say I want to withdraw the whole amount, or let me say I want to withdraw 3,000 naira, or 31. Let me type in 3,100. Okay, so I want to withdraw 3,100. I'm just gonna input my withdrawal password right here. Okay, so the platform actually charges 12% for withdrawal. So right here you can see what I'm gonna be receiving. I'm gonna receive 2,728. So after doing that, I'm just gonna click on submit. Okay, so once I click on submit, you can see successfully sent. Right here my balance has changed to 47 naira. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go on record. Okay, so I'll click on record, I'll click on withdraw. Okay, so once I click on withdraw, it's going to show me whether it is still pending or it is successful. Okay, so right here you can see this was my first withdrawal from the platform. You can see success and I received this. So right here, this one you can see it is pending. So I'm just going to wait for some minutes and then I'll show you when it shows success. Okay, so guys, make sure you try this website out. Okay, and if you find value in this video, make sure you hit that like button. Do well to share, do well to comment, drop a very nice comment for me in the comment section below. So if you have been following me and you're not making money online yet, you're making a very big mistake. Okay, so try this website out. Okay, try this website out. Make sure if you're investing, do well to invest what you can afford to lose, and make sure you do your own research before investing on this platform. Okay, so as we are waiting for the withdrawal to reflect, I'm just going to show you guys how you can sign up on this platform. Remember, you're going to be using the link in the description of this video. So right now I'm just going to log out, okay, and show you how you can sign up on this platform. Okay, so to sign up on this platform, once you use the link in the description of this video, this is what the this is what the sign up page is going to look like. Okay, so right here you're just going to put in your phone number. Right here you're going to set a password and then you confirm your password. If you're using my link, this is going to show up there automatically, and right here you're going to type in this code right here. Okay, so once you type it here, you just click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, you're good to go. Okay, so I'll just click on sign in now and I will proceed with this process. Okay, so right now you can see it is very easy. I've shown you how you can make money on this platform, shown you how you can recharge, how you can withdraw. Okay, this is where you're gonna be making extra 15 naira every day. You can see this option showing check-in. Okay, so once you log in on the platform every day, you're gonna make 15 naira. You can see right here, click check in. You can see if I click on it, you can see they told me I've checked in for today. So you're gonna be doing this every day and you're gonna be making extra 15 naira. Okay, so guys, let me go back and check if the payment has been successful. Okay, so I'll click back on record. Okay, so once I click on record, I'll click on withdraw. Let me see. Okay, right now you can see it has changed to waiting. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for some minutes. Let me pause the video and wait for some minutes. I just received a notification and I'm gonna be showing you guys the alert. So right here you can see it has shown success. Okay, so the payment has been released. So I'm just gonna click on this drop down right here. You can see the amount I received. Okay, so right here guys, you can see this is the credit alert I just received. Okay, you can see the time, you can see the description, you can see everything. Okay, so right here if you check from my dashboard, this is the exact amount I was supposed to receive after the platform removed their charges. Okay, so you can check the description, you can see the name right here and you can see the date and time of everything. Okay, so right here if you observe, I do my videos with transparency. Okay, so for those of you guys who are afraid of online business or afraid of investment, you can tell your friends about the platform and let them join. When they join, you make money. Okay, and it's not compulsory for you to invest before you can withdraw. Once you get up to 2,000 naira, you can actually withdraw on this platform. This platform is new and it's not gonna be crashing anytime soon. Okay, so you can jump on it right now and make money for yourself before the platform goes away. Okay, so guys, I would say if you find value in this video, make sure you hit the like button. Do well to subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you share this video with your friends and family as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.